What's up, glam squad? So before you guys start to get on me, yes, I already did this look in the next video, so if you haven't watched it, click the link down below and go watch it. If you have, thank you for watching it and thank you for tuning into this video. So this video is just going to be a review on these lashes that I got from Amazon. You got, and plus I'm using a filter right now because I'm really digging how this filter is making my skin look. Like, it looks fabulous. As you can see here, these are the lashes. My camera is acting real bougie, so she's not really focusing like she should, but as you can see, the bristles are going any type of way. Some are long and some are short. I really like that about this because it gives it that natural effect. And this is the lash outside of the packaging. So as you can see, it already has the curl effect, which is a plus, and also is very full. This is a side view of the lash and this is the front view. It is very full. Look at all that hair. Look at all that hair, you guys. Like, this is a really nice lash. This is the packaging. I'm using one already, so it's going to be missing one. This is a next package. So it came, two of these came together for 10 bucks. Okay, you guys, 10 bucks. Sorry, I'm looking over there because I'm seeing a fly and it's really bothering me. So these came together for 10 bucks with free shipping if you do have Amazon Prime, and this is with it on my eye. You guys, this is basically like having your freaking eyelashes done professionally. You guys, this is a steal of a deal because you're basically getting basically like you're paying $1 for each lash. It comes in a pack of 5. You pay for 2, it equals $10. So you cannot go wrong with this, because I've never been the one to actually buy expensive lashes because I'm very frugal and I don't see the need for it. So this is awesome for me because I'm not going to pay $28 or $12 for one lash. No, I like to buy in bulk. I'm going to buy what I know that I'm gonna need. Like, I do makeup, so I do need lashes to put on my clients, and I do makeup for my YouTube channels on myself. This is a steal of a deal, guys. I know I'm repeating myself by saying steal of a deal like a million times, but it really is. So I'm gonna leave the link for this these lashes in the description box below, and like, give it a try. These aren't the only styles. This was just more of the most popular styles. Whenever I'm shopping on Amazon, I always like to read the comments and see what the honest opinions are from the customers themselves. Sorry about that. That's my neighbor's dog and he's getting rowdy right now. So where was I? Whenever I'm purchasing on Amazon, I like to read the comments. This was the most recommended in the comments. I've seen a lot of people recommend other numbers. Oh shoot, by the way, this one is the A11. You can't really see it, but is the A11 style. So they have A11, I think they have A11, A11-5. They have different kind of styles. So I am going to be looking to buy the other styles to see if it is bomb like these. These hands down have, these really look very high end. I know myself, I like to keep rambling and rambling. I get repetitive sometimes, sorry about that. But try these out, you guys. You won't be disappointed. I am going to see, and I'm going to give an updated review on this, showing the back but I'm just going to wash them after I'm done using them, obviously, and I'm going to see if it sheds. If it sheds, that will break my heart, because like I said, these lashes, they look bomb. Like, they look so good. And I did curl them. If you look at my last video, I did curl them, but even before I didn't curl them, they had this natural curl and fullness. I have some embarrassing news to give you, okay? Like, literally, my freaking hair was on fire the other day. Like, I have a complete story time I'm going to try to tell you on my next makeup video. I'm gonna try to do something, attempt to do something different. I'm gonna try to do a story time with me getting my makeup done. Well, me doing my makeup. So yes, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was very short, but I just had to come on, and this is right after me doing my makeup. I had to come on and just give an in-depth video on this product. So make sure you guys click that link and go check it out. Like, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.